Bullish DCR cost expectation for 2022 is $30.40 to $71.20. The DCR cost will likewise reach $100 soon. Bearish DCR cost expectation for 2022 is $19.30. In Deckard cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about DCR to examine the future development of the digital currency. Deckard current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Deckard is $19.30 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,124,298 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, DCR has diminished to 3.8% as of now. Besides, Deckard has a coursing supply of 14,588,046 DCR. At present, DCR exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, BKEX, OKX, MEXC, and Pinonex. What is Deckard? Deckard is the local digital currency of the Deckard blockchain. Deckard is an open-source blockchain based on a code like that of the Bitcoin blockchain. The mainnet of Deckard was sent off in 2016. Deckard was sent off to address the provisos in the blockchain administration and prizes arrangement of Bitcoin. In this way, the venture sent off its local administration situation, Polidia, to give privileges to the Deckard clients in the tasks dynamic cycle. Deckard blockchain takes on a half-and-half agreement model. Evidence of stake and confirmation of work instruments with proof of action. Like Bitcoin, the stockpile cap of Deckard is fixed at 21 million. Deckard value forecast 2022. Deckard stands firm on the 105th foothold on CoinGecko at the present time. DCR cost forecast 2022 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time span. An even channel or sideways pattern resembles a square-shaped design. It comprises of no less than 4 agreement focuses. This is on the grounds that it needs no less than 2 lows to interface, as well as 2 highs. Level channels give a reasonable and precise method for exchanging by giving trade focuses. The more extended the level channel, the more grounded the leave development will be. There is habitually a cost on the channel after exit. The exit frequently happens at the 4th contact point on one of the level channel's lines. As of now, Deckard is at $19.30. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of DCR could arrive at the opposition level of $28.20 and $42.70. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of DCR might tumble to $18.70. Deckard backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Deckard from the above everyday time span. We can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Deckard. The diagrams show that DCR has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, DCR could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $71.20, as needs be. In the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the DCR could dive to nearly $19.30, a negative sign. Deckard value expectation 2022. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Deckard is displayed in the underneath outline. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past volume for dealers. As of now, the RVOL of DCR lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. In addition, the moving normal of Deckard is displayed in the above graph. Eminently, the DCR cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a descending pattern. Right now, DCR is in a negative state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of DCR whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the DCR is at a degree of 38.13. This implies that DCR is almost in an oversold state. Notwithstanding, this gives certainty to the dealers to exchange with no trepidation. Deckard value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Deckard. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Deckard. Right now, DCR lies in the scope of 52.5, showing an exceptionally impressive pattern. From the above graph, the overall instability record of Deckard. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of DCR lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, DCR's RSI is at 38.13, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of DCR with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Deckard. From the above diagram, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and DCR are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC or ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of DCR likewise increments or diminishes individually. Deckard Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Deckard could likely achieve $210 by 2023. Deckard Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Deckard could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, DCR could mobilize to hit $300 by 2024. Deckard Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Deckard supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, DCR would energize to hit $415. Deckard Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Deckard supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, DCR would energize to hit $505. Deckard Value Expectation 2027. If Deckard supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, DCR would mobilize to hit $620. Deckard Value Forecast 2028. On the off chance that Deckard holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a huge cost rallies. Accordingly, by 2028, DCR would hit $700. Deckard Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Deckard, it would observe significant spikes. DCR could hit $805 by 2029. Deckard Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Deckard environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Deckard for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Deckard could hit $910 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Deckard organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for DCR. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Deckard in 2022 is $71.20. Then again, the negative value expectation of Deckard for 2022 is $19.30. Moreover, with the headways and updates in the Deckard environment, the presentation of Deckard could hit $100 acquiring financial backers consideration. It would likewise transcend its record-breaking high of $247.35 soon. 1. What is Deckard? Deckard is the local digital currency of the Deckard blockchain. Deckard is an open-source blockchain worked with a code like that of the Bitcoin blockchain. It takes on a half-breed agreement model, evidence of stake and confirmation of mining. 2. Where could you at any point buy Deckard? Deckard has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, BKEX, OKX, MEXC, and Pionex. 3. Will Deckard come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Deckard stage, Deckard has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Deckard? On April 17, 2021, Deckard arrived at its new all-time high of $247.